So now this is the system that holds it on. It's just a screw and a washer that sinks right into this stuff. Kind of like that. And put my screw in. Perfect. And then you seal that up afterwards too. So I'm going to get my screws all along the bottom, and then I can fix this bead. Now you want to put these things about every foot. Oh, I'm going to screw this off. There's the finished product.